Hello, my lovely students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great at your home. So, I, Kajal Singh, your GK teacher, is here again, and this is my GK revision video part 2. So, in this video, we will revise our rest of the chapters. So, let's begin. A reminder, your GK exam is on 26/5/2021, and your syllabus is So our first chapter of today's video is chapter 7, Animals and their young. So children, in this chapter we have discussed animals young, or what do we call them. So have a look. So we have discussed in our online classes that the young of a lion, tiger, cheetah, bear, hyena, panda, we call it cub. Now, the young of a cow, giraffe, antelope, camel, rhinoceros, whale, yak, we call it calf. Oh my god, they are so cute, isn't it? Yes. So, the young of dog, dolphin, guinea pig, hamster, beaver, shark, seal, we call it pup. Now, what do you mean by marsupial? So, a marsupial is an animal that carries its babies around in its pouch. Many animals that live in Australia are marsupials. Now we have some marsupial animals, and first we have kangaroo, and you can see that in the picture that it carries its baby in its pouch. Second we have koala, and third we have Tasmanian devil. So children, now we'll do some matching, and you have to match these animals and birds with their babies. So let's start. First we have eagle. So what's the answer? Yes, it's eaglet. Toad, tadpole, monkey, infant, kangaroo, joey, duck, duckling, goose, gosling, deer, fawn, sheep, lamb, goat, kid, horse, foal. Very good. Now I'll show you some pictures and you have to identify these animals. Okay, so first we have, yes, it's yak, and it's a large domesticated wild ox with shaggy hair, humped shoulder and large horns. So children, this is your armadillo, and armadillo is a Spanish word meaning little armored one and refers to a bony plate that covers the back, head, legs and tail of most of these odd looking creatures. So this is crane. It's a long-legged, long-necked wading bird. So children, it is antelope and it is deer-like mammal. This is beaver, an animal with smooth fur, sharp teeth and large flat tail. Chapter 8, a green page. Now we'll revise some different types of plants and trees. So first we have our banyan tree, and it is the national tree of India whose branches root themselves like a new trees over a large area. So this is your peepal tree. According to the science of Ayurveda, every part of the peepal tree, the leaf, bark, shoot, seeds and fruit, has several medicinal benefits. The oak tree is one of the most loved trees in the world, and it is a symbol of strength and knowledge. These are your pine trees. Pines have leaves shaped like needles that remain on the trees throughout the year. So banana trees are one of the most common trees that come to mind when dreaming of the tropics. It is actually the world's largest herb. Medicinal plants are those plants that are commonly used in treating and preventing specific ailments and diseases. Some examples of medicinal plants are tulsi, turmeric, neem and aloe vera. Now we will discuss some root vegetables. So root vegetables are underground plant parts, as you can see that in the picture also. And some examples are potato, carrot, beetroot. Chapter 9, a quiz on living things. So children, this will be interesting because now we will gain the knowledge about living things. So let's begin. So we'll do true false first. A dog's nose prints are like human fingerprints. Each dog has a different one. Yes, it is true. Just as humans can be identified by their fingerprints, dog can be identified by their nose prints. So dolphins are intelligent animals. Yes, it is true. Dolphins are capable of complex problem solving and social interaction. This one is your panda, and we all know that the pandas are big eaters. And in China, people who kill a panda are punished and put to death. Yes, it is true, children. Now have a look at some unexpectedly good swimmer. Yes, tigers are excellent swimmers and don't avoid water. The horn of a rhinoceros is made of bone. No, children, it's wrong. The horn of rhinoceros is made of keratin, the same substance as fingernails, and grow continuously but do not have a bone core. Ostriches can run faster than lions? No. Ostriches can run faster than horses, and male ostriches can roar like lion but not run faster than lion. So rats laugh when tickles? Yes, children, it is true. So children, squirrels too have a softer side. Besides taking care of their own, squirrels adopt and take care of babies that are lost. Now we'll do some MCQs. It lives for about 14 days only. Turtle, prawn, housefly. Yes, your answer is housefly. It can smell water up to 5 kilometers away. Goat, elephant, bear. Yes, it is elephant. Not speak or make noises since it does not have vocal cords. Giraffe, leopard, rhinoceros. Yes, it is giraffe. It is the only bird that can fly backwards. Canary, hummingbird and sparrow. Yes, your answer is correct. It's hummingbird. It can take care of itself as soon as it is born. Shark, chimpanzee, tiger. Yes, it is shark. It can grow a new tail if it loses its old one. Dog, monkey, lizard. And yes, it is very obvious. Your answer is correct. It's lizard. The name of this flower is also the name of a part of the eye. It is the large attractive flower. Carnation, iris, cataract. Yes, your answer is correct. It's iris. There are many varieties of this flower: Easter, Japanese, tiger, morning star, wood and Madonna. Lily, rose, tulip. And your answer is correct. It's lily. Now we'll revise our aptitude topic, that is water images. So children, please watch it carefully.
As we have discussed earlier, mirror image is assumed to be on the right of an object. Water image is assumed to be below the object. Below the object means how it will look? It will look like this, below the object. Instead of right to left conversion, we are doing up to down. We are just flipping the letters from up to down. Okay, whatever we are having here, we will just flip it. So children, the water image of the alphabets will be look like this. So children, take out your rough notebook. We will make some water images by our own. Okay, so let's start. The water image of A will be like this. Then we have B here. The water image of B will be like this, same. F will be look like this. Right, children? If you will make F like this, it will be wrong. Okay? This is wrong. You have to make it like this. Then we have P. It will be like this. R we have, it will be look like this, and in last we have U. So that's all for today. Children, mark your attendance and learn all the chapters carefully. Good luck for your exams. God bless you all. Bye bye.